Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the graphics settings in my summer car. Let's begin by pressing the escape key and entering the graphics section right here. Here under effects you can toggle on or off the anti-aliasing, bloom, reflections, sunshafts, contrast enhance, high definition resolution. Under camera you can turn on or off the walking head bob, driving head bob, change your FOV from 0 to 90 and draw distance from 0 to 9000. Under details you can enable or disable the sun shadows, house light shadows, detailed water, AI car skid mark, AI car dust trails, car mirrors, and under interface you can toggle on or off the English subtitles, gear indicator and show FPS. Make your customization of course, and after all that, press resume. And that's it. Thank you for watching and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.